going to install our shock skid. Before we can do that, we need to prepare it. Grabbing the 1/4 inch bolt, put on a lock washer and a flat washer. Push it through the hole in the mount and then install your hexagonal standoff. Using your tools, go ahead and tighten this all the way down. Now we can remove our factory shock bolt. Using a 17mm, go ahead and loosen these up and remove the bolt. Remember, a lot of off-road shocks are nitrogen charged and will push down. You are going to have to work through this with your installation. Next, take the shock skid and push the spacer through the large 3/4 inch hole on the back of the shock mount. Push it through and pivot the shock skid up. Taking your new shock bolt, put on a flat washer, push it through the skid, through the shock mount, through your shock. Using the pocket on the shock skid, if you need to insert a screwdriver to help with alignment, go ahead and align everything so that you can get your bolt through. This will take a little patience to do and not damage your shocks. With the bolt all the way through, put on a flat washer and put on your lock nut. We're now going to show you the optional shock protector. This goes on our shock skid. Go ahead and grab another 1/4 inch bolt, put on a split lock washer and a flat washer. Then put it through the mount and into your shock skid. Put the shock guard into position and tighten your bolts. Checking for clearance, very important that these will not work with remote reservoir shocks, and you need to be cautious to ensure that when your suspension compresses, it will not contact any of the aftermarket parts you've installed on your vehicle.